What is up, YouTube? This is CardTrickster here. I'm showing you guys my updated version of windups. I'm gonna be running this for regionals. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the build. Triple windup rabbit. Triple windup rat. Triple windup shark. Triple windup magician. Old tour guide. Really good card, just this engine's still really broken. Like this one card gives me like a +2 sometimes. Double snowman eater. Really good. And then double effect failure. So that's about 20 monsters. The spells. Triple factory. One mind control. I was actually thinking about getting rid of this for like another trap, because now that Chaos Dragons are a little big now, I feel like this would do something. So yeah. Pokemon, Pond of Avarice, and the 3MST. Heavy, Dark Hole, Monster Board. That's all the spells. I don't main Soul Taker. Solid. Stable. 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 And I like this little tech of mine. It's either this or Thunder King, and I don't really like Thunder King main decked anymore, because I feel like I play the 1-for-1 game, and 22 monsters is not good. And I have to get rid of the effect failures, but I do not want to get rid of effect failure. So yeah, it's either this or a Compulse. I don't see Stardust running around that much, and people are going to be playing a little bit of Inzektors as well. So yeah, that's the deck. Let's get to the extra inside. Sorry I'm not explaining that much. I'll do a more in-depth regionals thing. This is my first one, so yeah. Zen Mighty. I got Leviair finally. Leviathan. Giga. Double Zenmei. Acid. That's it for the extra deck. The only card I'm really missing is Zenmayo and Shockmaster. These are supposed to be messenger pieces. I'm picking them up from my friend, so don't you worry, I'll get them. So yeah, that's the deck, and yeah, I still have a couple more decks I kind of want to test out. I'm testing Heroes, Chaos Dragon, Dino Rabbit. Yeah, I mean, I have a whole bunch of decks now. It's insane. Oops. Hold on. Let's see here. Let's see here. We got a notepad for the regionals. Oh. Let's see here. I got my rescue rabbits. Got another tour guy. That's it. I'll give you guys a quick binder update. So I'll be taking regionals. Supers. I got rid of my Ultra Lila and Ultimate for the rabbit, one of the rabbits. Gold. He's going for like 12 or 13 now. That's super. Agents, that Trooper Agent deck that Alistair topped with. DT Card Trooper. Maltese. Ultra. DT. Worms. Gadget stuff. 4 DD Crows, 2 Ultra Tracks, 3 Caius, 2 Mally, 2 Junk, Ultra Caius, Scores, Mystic Piper, awesome card. Froggies, Instant Fusion, Secret, Super. I have a whole entire hero deck as well. Others in Mighty and others in Mains. Thunder End. GG Ultra. Secret, Super Secret, Secrets. Super Secrets, Tins, all Tins. And Gold Secrets, Common, and then Super. So yeah. See ya.